Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you why you only need Windows Defender on your computer, along with malware bites. Optional if you want to, but hear me out here. So, I've been a real advocate on this virus and malware and backdoor security purposes only type of tactics. And I've been across a lot of different viruses and things like that, and I'm not gonna lie, Windows Defender has taken the cake, has taken the prize. I would definitely say that Windows Defender is now probably the best default virus protection you can use over Norton and everything else. That's just me. Don't take my word for it, or you can. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, other virus protections and antiviruses, they slow your computer down. They slow you down and things like that. And Windows Defender, I mean, it's already running in the background, so even though it stops the processes, it's pretty good with viruses. Has the virus protection here, where it scans for viruses and it allows different options for scan viruses, where you can do quick scan, full scan, custom scan, offline scan if your computer's already cooked and you need additional things. And then they have your account protection, so it protects your account, your Microsoft account, shows you the Windows hello, just all those extra steps if you want a fingerprint scanner. And it shows you your firewall, and your firewall, like, all of this stuff is connected to where you actually can get it set up on your mobile devices. And you can get alerted when your computer gets in a virus or anything like that on your mobile device, with the Windows Defender app. Actually, hold on, I got you right here. Windows Defender, Android. Hold on one second. Like real rap, y'all thought this was a game. Windows Defender, 4.5 stars right here. I'm not joking when I'm telling y'all. Like, Windows Defender is legendary. Um, it's even on your mobile device. It tells you. It tells you. Look at that. Credit threat. Wait, what? Credit threats. So Microsoft Defender is even going in your credit score. That is, come on, come on. So it's telling you everything that's affecting you. Microsoft is really doing it big here, and I think this is probably the most free suite. Some people don't even know that a VPN is built in onto your setting here. As you can see, VPN connection. You can add a VPN connection. Windows has a built-in VPN connection, but that's for a whole nother video. All right, so let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Definitely keep checking this out. I'm telling y'all, make sure all your stuff is enabled. Even you look at this reputation-based protection. These settings protect your device for malicious and potentially unwanted apps, files, and websites. Make sure all of this is enabled. Secure boot, security processor, core isolation. Make sure all of this is on here. Make sure you have your family options. Make sure you have your device protection and health. Make sure you're running that. I'm telling you, this is the future. Windows Defender for life, Windows security. Make sure all your settings are up to par. And yeah. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.